Hey guys, what's up? I'm on my Resto Shami, and yeah, I said Resto Shami. I'm actually gonna be healing. Been in this queue for like 21 minutes now, and no one else has joined, so it's a little sad. And I'm a healer, so it shouldn't be taking this long, but whatever. So yeah, if you guys want to know what I do for healing as Resto Shami, continue on. So yeah, hopefully this won't take too long, and I will get back to you guys soon. One more thing, I'm using a glyph called a Glyph of Healing Wave. If you're wondering why, like, whenever I heal someone with Healing Wave, it heals me too, which is awesome. It's like a mandatory glyph. It's amazing. Just wanted to put that out there. I don't think I have anything else that's that amazingly awesome-tastic. So, yeah, I don't think there's anything else that I could use that's that great. I guess that's not bad, but I'm on somewhat of a low populated server, so uh, there aren't a ton of glyphs out there, and the ones that are out there are kind of expensive. So, just yeah. Okay, see you guys. Oakley Doke. So this one's a little tricky on healers. It's not horrible, but looks like we have a really geared tank. So hopefully this won't take too long. And he has pretty cool looking armor, so because that helps a lot. So ready when you are, Mr. Tank. Oakley Doke. Maybe a little squishy, I guess. So yeah, I always want to keep Riptide on him, and always want to have Earth Shield on him. That'll help you quite a bit. Yeah, he doesn't seem to actually be taking a lot of damage at all, so that's good. It looks like he has a little bit of DPS gear, but nothing too bad. Oakley Doke. I always want to use Water Shield. It'll help you with mana restoration, and the healers need a lot of mana restoration, so it's always nice. And if you're wondering why 4 totems came down, it's a glyph. So yeah, can't remember what it's called. It's like what is it? Totemic, something like that. Encirclement or whatever. Oh jeez, he's actually taking damage. Yeah, these groups are a little tricky on healers. They just do a little bit of damage and kind of hurts my mana a little bit, but nothing too bad. Luckily, this is a Death Knight, so he's healing himself quite a bit. Death Knights have a lot of self heals, so it's always nice. Oh shit. Uh oh, this isn't good. I'm almost dead. If I ever take a lot of damage, I usually just pop down my stone totem, stone bulwark totem, which gives me a little bit of an absorb shield, so I don't have to focus too much on myself. It seems like I'm kind of burning through my mana pretty quickly though. It's a little annoying, but whatever. I'm in pretty much all DPS gear except for my trinkets. The DPS gear for Elemental Shaman is kind of the same as Restoration Shaman, because they actually can make use out of Spirit, the Elemental Shamans can. It helps them with their hit chance, which is nice. In a video a little bit before this one, I said that Spirit was useless as an Elemental Shaman, and that was completely wrong. Pretty much like hit chance. So, I can't miss pretty much, because I have a shit ton of Spirit. Yeah, these bosses aren't that bad. Nothing terrible about these guys. They don't do like a huge amount of damage or anything. So, yeah, not bad at all. This guy's a little tough. Sometimes your DPS can get their ass kicked by this guy in a few seconds if they aren't, uh, if they don't know how to get out of the fire. There isn't fire, but just it's kind of lightningy. Ooh, meteor. Yeah, she's gonna get hit probably. Bam. Not too bad. I don't. I don't know if you're supposed to stand in that. I guess it doesn't probably do much. Yeah, again, this is a pretty simple boss. The DPS get hurt a little bit every once in a while, but other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Our DPS aren't amazing in this group, which is why it's kind of going a little slowly, unfortunately. Oh, I was wondering why he had a lot of health. It's like, damn, dude, that guy's really geared, and somehow he's only pulling like 13k DPS. Oh, jeez, this isn't fun. Yeah, you can do this, and it just deals a whole bunch of damage to you, and it's kind of annoying. I don't know if there's any way to stop that from happening, but yeah. Oakley Doke. This fight is a little bit harder since there are two little boss that kind of things that can run around, and the beast-looking thing, Mushiba, can jump around at people and deal some damage and stun them too. So it takes a little while to kill him, and there is some DPS going around on your DPS. Well, there's some damage going around on your DPS and you at some points. So I'm gonna pop a Riptide up on her, just to give a little bit of healing on her, and oh shit, yeah, you want to stay clear of that little earth wave thing. Oh my god, that's horrible timing. I got hit by that, and then I got tackled down to the ground. That's great. Okay, this guy is pretty tricky. He doesn't do a ton of damage to the tank, but he can kill your DPS if they are dumb. Or not dumb, just they don't know the fight. That's why when I see him casting what he's supposed— oh shit, I accidentally pressed it. Yeah, healing stream totem isn't probably that good of an idea right now. Kind of an expensive ability. Oh man, yeah. Okay, this is what I was talking about. He's gonna suck you in, and it's gonna suck. Okay, some people probably will stand in this, and I'm probably just gonna let them die, because that's their fault if they're standing in it, honestly. Oakley Duck. That boss, those bosses are done. Okay, yeah. You can just run around this little part here if you want to get over quicker. So yeah. Ooh, that's not bad. Let's see if our hunter needs it, and then we can grab it. No, she does not need it. Cool. That's awesome. Let's see. Just looking for other shit that I can get here. Oh yeah, I can get this, definitely. That's awesome. Oh shit. Not much else I can get. There are two things I really want. Okay, I'm just gonna pause it until I get here, because it sometimes can take a while if they don't know. Okay, never mind. And is he in blood? Nice and frost. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, this isn't bad. This fight isn't bad at all. You just gotta. Usually, you kill the Ironhide first, because they reduce the damage that the ads take. You don't really have to, because they die really easily. But no, just whatevs. Okay, and next fight, it's a little tricky on the tanks if they hold aggro, because they're gonna get stunned a lot if they don't do it right. I usually kite these guys so I don't get stunned, but that makes it a little annoying on the DPS. So I guess a lot of tanks just kind of stand and take it, I guess. Okay, I'm just going to put down healing rain. Okay, for some reason this guy's getting aggro and he's getting kind of pwned. Don't know why he has aggro, but whatever. I think I'm gonna put some music on. Enable sound. Master volume at 21%. We'll see how well this works. I'll probably have the sound on for all my videos if I can. Sometimes it's a little too loud, and it's kind of hard to hear me, but we'll see how this works. Sorry if it's hard to hear me. Okay, these guys send around this little curse thing. Yeah, you can make it easy on your DPS and take it off of them, but mine has a cooldown, and I think everyone's does. Not sure. And I accidentally used it on her, and when it was off, so okay. Yeah. You can jump here if you really want to. A little tough on the healers if we jump here. Nothing too bad. There's no time for chit chat. What? Okay. Oh, awesome. We have Soulfall. Thank you, Mr. Gilsha. That's really awesome of you. Okay, I'm going to cure them of that shit. My DPS. I don't really care about it on me that much, but I might as well. Since I have 2 stacks. 2 stacks isn't great. Makes you cast. That debuff makes you cast a lot slower. Oh shit, I don't want to put my Earth Shield on the DPS. Yeah, don't do that because they don't take. They're not supposed to be taking the damage. Just this tank kind of has aggro issues or something. Yeah, this is all over the place. Everyone's taking damage now. And we aren't killing them that fast. That's great. This is getting a little tough on my mana. Like, hold the main boss. That guy's the one that What? Not my fault. He's in Frostback. You can take it off him. I'm just gonna let this guy have Earth Shield, I guess, because tank isn't taking any damage. Holy Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna put my healing stream totem out to help a little bit. Oh my god, that's so annoying. Eating my mana. Okay. It's a little tough fight. It's easier if the tank holds all the aggro. In this case, he was not holding the aggro very well. I will be right back. 2 seconds. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, these guys are taking a while. This music is probably a little too loud, so I'm gonna mess with it. Huh. They're out of my line of sight, that's great. Wow, this is pretty loud. There, that's probably good. I don't know. It's different, like, when I finally finish making the video, it's gonna sound a lot different than what I'm actually hearing right now. So I'm probably going to need to mess with that a bit. I'm probably gonna miss this, yeah. That's a little annoying. This elevator goes by pretty quick. Sorry about this. I'm just... Okay. Yeah. Now you need to jump. I like being crushed. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why they make that elevator so annoying. It just like stays there for like 2 seconds and then leaves. It's a little annoying as hell. But not too bad. Hang on, what? What are you doing? You're actually trying to skip that part. Sigh. Holy Jesus. Damage all over the place. Yeah, this is a little bit of a bad example. Usually, not everyone is taking damage. Oh, I don't have my Earth Living weapon on. That would be awesome if I had my Earth Living. I'm a dumbass. Yeah, that certainly helps a bit. Yeah, I always want to have Earth Living weapon on. That's the little enchantment you're going to be using. The Shaman enchantment. Whoa, that roll kill shit down. What? Oh, 100. That's great. Let's just go. This guy's going really slow for some reason. Nice. Now let's just go. Nah, he was rolling and kind of being an idiot. I usually like to have fast runs because I personally don't think that the Mistipend area dungeons are anything special. I think they're actually not that good. They're like the bare minimum of what they should be. Cataclysm ones were really good. Cataclysm ones were actually challenging. These aren't easy as hell. I usually like challenge when I'm playing this game. LFRs are quite a bit tougher than regular dungeons, so that's a that's pretty fun. LFR isn't that bad. I mean that hard, but for newer players it is probably pretty difficult. So I was thinking of doing a kind of a tutorial video for new players. Like I've been running around on each class, but I would like doing kind of a tutorial video, like just showing the basics and everything like that. I mean, like not class mechanics, but just like how to play the game, how to get along, how to join a guild, how to like what's the best race and class combinations, and kind of stuff like that. That would be kind of cool. But I don't know. I would hate to make a really, really awesome and detailed video and then have it get no views, because that's usually what happens on my videos. This channel would probably work better if I had more subs, or more just viewers in general. Because I'm only getting like, around 10 views a video. It's probably average. I don't know what my average is. But that seems about right. And oh my god. Yeah, these guys are taking a ton of damage. Holy crap. Did the tank not have aggro or something? Or how are these guys taking so much damage? I have no idea. Like, it's hard to talk and play at the same time. I don't know why she didn't use her ink. But whatever. Oh, she's a mage. Keep on thinking she's a shaman. I'm not used to seeing dwarf mages. Okay. To the back door. Sounds good by me. Wait, is he pulling? No, he's not. Okay. No, he's pulling. Maybe. You heard me, Shammy. I know what you're doing. Just pull. Because this guy does a frontal cone thing, and you don't want to be standing in it when he attacks, because it can do a lot of damage, and it'll hurt a lot of people, and that's just retarded. Because now look, he's going to do a huge ground slam, and all those guys are going to get hit and take damage. And not me. Even though I did take damage from other sources. Because there are a ton of ways to take damage during this fight. It's a very healing intensive fight. Damn, look at all those heals, holy shit. Yeah, that's what you go with healing rain. And I think a talent called, oh my god, no, not, the talent's not called oh my god, it's called conductivity or something. Hard to talk right now. I'm trying to focus on keeping these guys alive. Because it is harder than it looks. Oh my god, I actually got hit. Yeah, this thing can kill me really easily, so I better keep myself alive. And they're only halfway done. That's kind of sad. Yeah, the DPS in this group isn't that great. If we had better DPS, this would be a lot easier. I'm just gonna put down a little totem that hopefully will help with DPS, even though it's not fucking attacking. It's a little depressing. What? Oh my god, we're even missing a DPS. Yeah, our DPS sucks and we're missing one. Oh, never mind. Yeah. I'm getting so much damage. Whoa. Yeah. Oh my god. This is a fun boss. This is actually a challenging boss. Because he runs through my mana really quick. Especially if our DPS doesn't know what they're doing. It should be taking a lot less time than this. Because I'm getting like tons and tons of damage taken. Oh my god. Don't stand in it, please. Thank you. Okay, let's just waste all my mana on this healing rain and hopefully people will be standing in it. And Genioli, there he's dead. Awesome. Possum. Ooh, nice. That dropped. Sexiness. Okay, now I need to wait for my mana to get back. Because I'm completely Bam, there goes my mana. Oh, what? Well, that kind of explains your DPS. Yeah, I won it. Awesomeness. Cool. Bam, leave group. I think that's it for today. Or maybe, I don't know. There's still a lot of the day left. We'll see. Fortunately, this is only like a 27-minute video. That's disappointing, to say the least. But, yeah, let me know what you guys think about that idea I had about a kind of a low-level tutorial for noobs. See you guys later. And, as always, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Yeah. Again, let me know what you think. Kind of running out of ideas, playing the same guys over and over again. So yeah, kind of want to do something new, something that might help out a lot of people with that low level thing. I know there are a lot of low level people out there that are just starting this game, and I think it would be awesome to help those guys out since I've run into a lot of players that don't actually know what the hell to do. So that would be awesome if I could help those guys out with a simple video. So yeah. Ooh, Blinktron, let's just see what I get for this, and then I'll leave you guys alone. Because this is always exciting. What the hell is it? With the flux. Oh my god, where did I put it? Oh, here it is. Ah, what did I get? Nothing good. That's disappointing. I always just delete those because I don't know what to do with them, honestly. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and let me know what you think. Or just, you know, whatever. You can do whatever you want. Thanks for watching, and see you later. And one more thing. Let me know what you think about the sound, seeing what I should do with it, telling me if you guys have any sound or music suggestions, or I can just play the music in the background. I kind of want my videos to be, you know, have better quality and stuff like that. So, I know sometimes there are points in the videos points in my videos where I stop talking for a little bit because I'm trying to think of something to say and I'm kind of concentrating on the game. So music would help, fill this video out, my videos out a bit. So, finally, thank you for watching. Hopefully this is the last time. See you guys later.